Hello and welcome all on Unacademy JEE English. Yes, guys, today I'm a bit late because of some technical issue. I don't know what is going on with the internet, so I'm using my mobile internet. So that's why there is delay of 2 minutes. So, guys, sorry for that. And let's start today's class, guys. So today I'm going to take solid state lecture number 5, and we people are going to take ionic crystal. So guys, first before I start this, let me tell you about this initiative about Unacademy, guys. This is JEE English channel. On this channel, guys, each and every topic for IIT-JEE will be taught you in pure English. Okay, guys, and not just physics or chemistry, all subjects, each and every concept of IIT-JEE will be taught you in pure English. And in this course of action, guys, today I am taking lecture number 5 of solid state, and today I will discuss ionic crystals. But before that, I have to take some quiz or questions so that I can get to know what you have done in the last class. Whatever I have done in the last class, have you guys revised it or not? Right, guys? So before I start today's session, guys, let me tell you about something about myself. I'm Rahul Kaushik. Yes, I worked in Bansa Classes Kota since 2010 to 2020. So guys, continuous 10 years I worked there. Continuous 10 years I worked there. And after that, guys, I co-founded my own organization, that is Zigyan Education Private Limited. And during my tenure there, I was head of department and I mentored 2000 plus IITs. Okay, guys. And other than this, guys, other than this, I have co-founded my own organization, but now I'm here on Unacademy, India's largest and fastest growing online platform, to share all my experience and knowledge with you guys. Okay, so guys, now let me tell you some simple steps. And the step number 1 is how you can subscribe to Unacademy. Just go to Play Store or App Store and download Unacademy Learning app. Once you have downloaded Unacademy Learning app, install it. And after installing, guys, there are some simple steps to follow. Step, just click on the plus. Once you are clicking on the plus, you will be getting these two options, NEET-UG and IIT-JEE. So once you are getting IIT-JEE, yes, IIT-JEE, just check this box because we are preparing for that. And after that, guys, hit the subscription button. And once you are hitting the subscription button, today is last day. Today is last day. So I'm telling you this thing. From today onward, there would be fee hike. There would be fee hike. So if you are planning to subscribe Unacademy, guys, then this is the right time. Then this is the right time. And you can subscribe to Unacademy, guys, using my code RahulKem. If you are applying this code, then you will be getting flat 10% off. Then you will be getting flat 10% off. Hi Matthew. Hello. So guys, let me also tell you what will be the difference in the old prices and new prices. Guys, for 1 year you have to pay 27,000. Today is the last day, guys. And after the hike price you have to pay 34,000. And for 2 year you have to pay 32,000. And after the price hike you have to pay 50,000. So guys, always keep in mind. Yes. So this is last opportunity for you. You can still subscribe today. And if you are applying my code, then you will be getting flat 10% off. Any doubt, guys, please ask. Any doubt, right? So guys, now let's move to the next point. Once you have subscribed to it, and if you are applying Rahul Kem, you will be getting flat 10% off. Flat 10% off. And other than this, what you people will get, guys? Your course on the plus. Your course on the plus would be structured, right? There would be DPPs, there would be sheets, quizzes, everything will be provided you. And then we will have weekly quizzes, live quizzes, and guys, you will have access to not just my content and videos, but the videos and content of all the educators who are teaching there on Unacademy, right, guys? So this is all you are going to get. And for this, if you are going for 24 month, you just have to pay 1500 rupees. And guys, today is the last day. Hello Priya, hello Matthews, hello everyone. Okay guys, So this is all about how you can subscribe and how much you have to pay. But now I'm moving on to the next point. Solid state. Yes. Matthews, in which class you are? Yes, tell me. In which class you are? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes. Please tell me so that I can reply you. Just a minute, guys. Actually, there are some technical issues, internet issues there. So I'm working over it. Just a minute. Today's class will be a bit disturbed. Don't worry, I'm working on it. You are in 12th class, so Matthews, you're almost complete physical. I've already covered. Yes, you can see in the playlist, we have already covered electrochemistry. We have already covered chemical kinetics, liquid solution, solid state is going on, and now only surface chemistry is left. Yes, Norman Javed. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, guys, are you ready? Are you ready for today's session? So, I hope Matthews, now you are done with it. If you still have any query or any doubt, please tell me. Okay, guys. Just I'm fine. Hi, VD. Hi, VD. Yes, you seems to be very happy. So, VD, in which class you are? In 11th or 12th? Tell me, VD. Okay. You seems to be very happy. So, is there something good news? If you have, you can also let us know so that everybody can be happy. In Corona times, everybody is concerned, and VD is looking quite happy, right? Okay. No, Norman Javed, I don't know your class. I gave my mains. Okay, okay. That's great. If you gave your mains exam, that is great, right? Yes. Yes, Norman. In which class you are? Tell me. Okay. You are in 11th. So you have sufficient time. In 11th, also we have covered so many topics. Periodic table, yes, chemical bonding. Tomorrow, 11th I take on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, 11th. And 12th I take on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, TTS. Right? So every day 2:30 p.m. I have class. Every day. Right? Tell me, guys. So guys, there are some technical issues today. So if I get disconnected abruptly, so don't worry, I will be back in 1 or 2 minutes, right? So internet issues are there today. So guys, let's do this. Now I have told you what are solids. Solids have definite shape, they have definite mass and definite volume. As you can see here, these are the example of solids. This is wolfenite, this is barite, this is calcite, right? Yes, Matthew, you can revise 11th class from the playlist. Yes. So guys, here let me give you a brief recap what we have done. So in previous class I told you about the voids. So we have four types of void: triangular void, right? Triangular void, tetrahedral void, then we have octahedral void, and then last one is cubical void, right? Yes, VD Unacademy pay is good, but you can also earn very good if you work hard on your JEE mains and advanced, definitely. So you have to work hard, right? There will be a different teacher for organic chemistry, Norman, definitely, right? So guys, these all voids we did in the previous class. These all voids we did in the previous class. Triangular void, tetrahedral, octahedral, and cubical void, right? So location of void we talked. Actually in HCP and in CCP, there are two types of void. One is tetrahedral void and another is octahedral void. If there are n atoms, if there are n atoms, then there will be 2n tetrahedral void and then there will be n octahedral voids. Right? Note it down. And this is applicable only for HCP and CCP. This is applicable only for HCP and CCP. Okay. So here, where are the tetrahedral voids? Where are the octahedral voids in FCC? So now I will tell you about their locations. Yes. So now I'm talking about it. If I divide this big cube into small 8 cubes, 3, 4, 7, 8, right? So at the body center of each cube, there would be a tetrahedral void. At the body center of each cube, there would be a tetrahedral void. And then where will be the octahedral void? So guys, octahedral void will be at all edges. So there are 12 edges, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So guys, there are 12 edges and there will be one octahedral void at the body center, right? There will be one octahedral void at the body center. Any doubt guys, please ask, right? So guys, you know the location of voids, and then I taught you about ionic compounds. So we have cations, we have anions. So what are cations, what are anions? You already know. And then I told you about the stability. So for an ionic compound to be stable, what should be the criteria or condition? So cation or anion contact should be minimum. Point number one. Point number two is cation should be surrounded by maximum number of anion and vice versa. So cation or anion contact should be minimum because they repel each other, right? And cation should be surrounded by maximum number of anion and vice versa in order to have higher stability. So guys, please ask if you have any doubt. Please ask. No doubts. Okay. So what is coordination number of cation? So cation will be surrounded by anions. So number of nearest anions which are touching a cation is called its coordination number, and same is applicable for anion. So this is brief recap I am giving you, and then we did these ratios, and I told you to remember this table. I told you to remember this table. If radius ratio is less than this, if radius ratio is less than this, then I will call it what? Planar. If it is equal to 0.155 but less than 0.225, then I will call it trigonal void. Coordination number of trigonal void is 3. And if this lies between this and this, then I will call it tetrahedral void. And coordination number of tetrahedral void would be 4. So now you know trigonal void, tetrahedral void, octahedral void, and cubical void. So for cubical void, it should be equal to this or less than this. So guys, please remember this ratio. Please remember it. These are very important. You have to remember them. Then I told you the stable configuration. Here I told you that stability order is 3. Then we have 2 and then we have 1. This is stability order. Last time I told you the reasons why third one is most stable. Right? Why third one is more stable, most stable. So guys, now I'm moving to the next true false. Yes, now do it. Do this. Crystalline solids are isotropic. Yes, tell me. Tell me. Good afternoon, Shavanti. Yes guys, do it. Be fast. I'm waiting for your reply. I'm waiting for your reply, guys. Be fast. Yes guys, do it fast. Be fast. Crystalline solids are isotropic. True or false? Yes. So guys, I told you in the first class, crystalline solids have different properties in different directions. Crystalline solids have different properties in different directions. Right? So, just a minute. Crystalline solids will have different properties along different directions. So, on changing direction, their properties are changing. So, they are not isotropic. Right? So, crystalline solids are not isotropic. So, what will be this statement, guys? True or false? Yes, tell me. What will be this statement? False. Okay. No. Now let's move to the next point. Yes, tell me the packing fraction of FCC and HCP unit cells are the same. Is it true or false? Just tell me, guys. Yes, guys, solve it. Be fast, be fast. Very important, guys. These are very important problems. So, packing fraction of FCC and HCP unit cells are same. So, FCC we have 0.74 and HCP again we have 0.74. These are same. So, this is true. This is true. No, Shurvanti. Yes, Matthews. Now let's move to the next problem, guys. Now let's move to the next problem. Yes, the location of tetrahedral void in FCC unit cell are the centers of 8 minicube forming the large cube. Yes, answer me fast. You should know. Where are the tetrahedral voids? Where are the tetrahedral voids, guys? Be fast. In yesterday's class, I told you. Even today, I revised this part. Even today, I revised this part. Yes, guys, tell me. Be fast. Location of tetrahedral void in FCC unit cell are, so guys, this is the location. Yes, tetrahedral void, I told you, tetrahedral void, I told you that these occupy the body center of cubes. These occupy the body center of cubes, right? So this statement is also true. This statement is also true. Yes, Matthews, you are right. Yes, Matthews. So I just told you, and you can go through my last class where we did all types of voids and their locations. Right, guys? Any doubt, please ask. No doubt. So let's move to the next problem, guys. Which of the following exists as covalent crystal in the solid state? Yes. Be fast. Which of the following exists as covalent crystal? This problem was asked in JEE Main 2013. Just do it. Sulfur will not be covalent. In covalent, we have constituent particles, atoms. Yes, guys, tell me please what others are doing. Be fast, guys. Yes. Now I will tell you. Yes. Is there anyone else who want to answer now? Is there anybody, guys, who want to answer it now? Tell me. So your answer. Yes, Matthews. Tell me, do you want to change it or is it sure? Are you confirmed with it? Okay, guys. So now let me tell you guys that's what type of solid is there. Phosphorus. What type of solid is there? And if you are taking the name of sulfur, then why not phosphorus? Yes, silicon. And guys, this is the problem from NCRT. Yes, go through the NCRT, and this is the direct problem, guys. Every time direct problems are being asked from NCRT. And what we people do, we don't revise NCRT, right? So guys, let's move to the next point now. Do this one. A metal crystallizes in face-centered cubic crystal. If the edge length is a, the closest approach between the two atoms in metallic crystal will be. Just tell me now. What will be the answer for it? What will be the answer? Here we have face-centered, right? This is a. This is a. So root 2a. So this length would be root 2a because this angle is 90 degree. So I will just write root 2a is equal to 4r, right? So the distance of closest approach is this root 2 a by 2. It will be a by root 2. C will be your answer. Yes, Matthews, you are right. You know everything. So Matthews, you are correct this time. So let's move to the next problem, guys. Now do this one. This problem was asked in JEE Main 2015. This problem was asked in JEE Main 2015. Yes, guys, do it. Sodium metal crystallizes in body-centered cubic lattice with a unit cell edge of 4.29 angstrom. The radius of sodium atom is approximately. How will you do this? Sodium metal crystallizes in body-centered cubic lattice. The radius. So when I'm talking about body-centered, just make it this one. This is root 3a. So root 3a is equal to 4r. So if a is given 4.29 divided by 4, so 1.732 into 1.07, just multiply it, you will be getting this C. So Matthews, your answer should be C. It should not be D. JEE Main 2015. JEE Main 2015. Yes. Any other doubt? Please ask if you have any doubt. No doubt. So now let's move to the next problem. Yes. The number of tetrahedral voids. Just a minute. The number of tetrahedral voids in hexagonal primitive unit cell is. How many number of tetrahedral void will be there? Yes, Matthews. Yes. Let's see. The number of tetrahedral void in hexagonal primitive unit cell is. So when I'm saying there are n atoms, then there will be 2n tetrahedral voids and n octahedral voids. So if there are n atoms, in hexagonal primitive cell we have 6 atoms. So we have 12 tetrahedral voids and we have 6 octahedral voids. So guys, answer would be 12. Answer would be 12. Yes, tell me. Tell me guys if you have any doubt. No doubt. So now do the next problem. Yes. An ionic compound has a unit cell of A ions at the corner of the cube and B ions at the center of the faces of the cube. The empirical formula for this compound would be. Yes, tell me. Yes. Do it guys, be fast. Be fast guys. So an ionic compound has unit cell consisting of A ions at the corner. The number of A ion would be 1 and B ion on the center of face. So there would be 6 faces. 3. So answer should be AB3. It will be D. It will be D. Yes. Any doubt? So here if you're asking for this diagram guys, I will explain it to you. Like when we are talking about the corners, so if atoms are present at the corner, so 8 atoms will be here. And in each face we have 6, in each cube we have 6 faces. So atoms will occupy the face centers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Done. So guys, this is AB3. This is AB3. Yes. Tell me if you have any doubt. No doubt. So now let's move to the next problem guys. This is we have already done. Yes. My answer would be silicon. Okay. So now solve this one. This was asked in JEE Main 2019 and at that point of time it was known as IIT-Jee. Right? Names keep on changing but the paper format and the level remain the same. Okay guys? Yes. Do it. Copper crystallizes in FCC with unit cell length of 361 picometer. What is the radius of copper atom? Yes. Hi Bhanupriya. Do this one. Copper crystallizes in FCC with a unit cell as length of 361. So what is the radius of copper atom? What is the radius? A is given as 361. And again, if it is talking about FCC, then its face will look like it. Its face will look like it. So guys, this is it. This is it. And here R. So root 2a will be equal to 4r. Root 2 into 361 is equal to 4r. So you can do the calculation. Yes guys, you can do the calculation. Assume it to be 360 approx. So it would be 90 into 1.414. So radius would be, yes, what would be the radius guys? It would be 127, less than 135. Yes, just do the calculation. It was very easy problem. It was very easy problem and it was asked in JEE 2009. Tell me, any doubt? No doubt? Okay. So guys, now let's move to the next problem. So now problems are over. So let's move to the new concept guys. And today we are going to start ionic crystals. What are ionic crystals? I told you in the previous class. Ionic crystals consist of cations and anion. And we get ionic compound, right? So generally, cations are small and anions are large in general, not always. So I told you, like, if you are arranging the footballs in a room, then there would be small voids, and in those voids you can place only cricket balls. So smaller ion would be present in the voids, and we also call them interstitial space. And larger ion or the football you are calling them, they will generally make the crystal. They will generally make the crystal. Okay, guys. So here we have cation, here we have anion. So cation and anion gives you the ionic compound. Suppose I am taking the NaCl, we also call it rock salt, its common name. So let me tell you some experimental data. You don't have to memorize it, but for information purpose. Radius of Na is this. Radius of chloride is 1.81. So here chloride is the football and Na plus is the cricket ball. So chloride will form the lattice and Na plus will occupy the void. So what type of void will be occupied by it? So if you calculate this ratio, right, you will be getting 0.563. This is in between 0.414 and 0.732. This is in between 0.414 and 0.732. Right guys? And if it is in between these two, so I will call it, this is octahedral void. So what do you mean by octahedral void? Here I will say chloride. Here I will say that chloride will occupy CCP positions. So what do you mean by CCP positions? Corner and face center, because CCP and FCC both have same meaning. So chloride will occupy CCP position, and if chloride is occupying CCP position, then number of chloride per unit cell, yes guys, 1 by 2 into 6, 4. So you will have 4 chlorides and they will be occupying CCP, means corner and face centers. Now where will be the Na plus? Where will be the Na plus guys? So note it down. Na plus will occupy Na plus will occupy what type of void? Octahedral void. Because octahedral void and tetrahedral void are formed in hexagonal cubic HCP, hexagonal closed packing, and FCC. So in ionic crystal, we will be mainly dealing with FCC. There is no HCP. So wherever tetrahedral or octahedral is talked about, just take it as FCC. So Na plus will occupy all octahedral voids. And now you know where are the position of an octahedral voids. So guys, number of Na plus ions per unit cell. How much? 12 into 1 by 4 plus 1. 4. Why? Because octahedral void would be present at the edges. So there are 12 edges and one edge is surrounded by 4 cubes. So in one cube we will have 1/4. In one cube we will have 1/4. And then we have number of Na plus ion per unit cell. Then we have what? One octahedral void at the body center. So there will be overall 4. So in one unit cell there are 4 Na plus and there are 4 chloride. And there is one more thing, because Na plus is moving in the octahedral void. So what will be the coordination number of Na plus? Coordination number of Na plus will be 6. Why? Because Na plus is present in octahedral void. And now you have to find out coordination number of chloride ion. We will do it using structure, right? Because Na plus I gave you the direct answer. And how I gave you the direct answer? Because it is going into tetrahedral void, octahedral void, right? So what is the formula for it? Yes, Na4 Cl4, because both are 4. So I will write it as NaCl4. What is this for? It means one unit cell will contain 4 units of NaCl. One unit cell contains 4 units of NaCl. Now it is there. Now is that clear? Is that clear now? So if it is clear, guys, now let me tell you, this is how rock salt will look like. On the faces, you have Na plus, sorry, chloride minus, and at the edges we have Na plus, right? So this is how NaCl will look like. This is how NaCl will look like. Note it down. So if I make this diagram, mm, just take a screenshot of it. Yes, guys, take a screenshot of it, and then I will proceed ahead. Okay, is that done now? Screenshot is done. Any doubt? No doubt. If you have taken the screenshot, now let me tell you how to make it. Now I will make it. So first I will make a single cube. Yes, this is one cube, guys, and now I'm dividing it into 8 parts. Right? Yes, I think now it is done. I think now it is done. I've divided this cube into 8 parts. And now where are the chloride ion, guys? Now I will tell you. Where are the chloride ions? Chloride ions will occupy all the corners. So there are 8 corners. And chloride ions will also occupy all the face centers. 6. Yes. So where will be the Na plus ion, guys? So Na plus ions will be present in octahedral void. And where are the octahedral voids? Octahedral voids will be present at all the edges, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are 8 edges, and these will be present at 12 edges, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, guys? And then there will be one at body center. So guys, this is the structure for NaCl. This is the structure for NaCl, and here you will be getting it as A. So A will be equal to 2 times the radius of Na plus and radius of chloride. How? Let's see this. This is radius of chloride, radius of Na plus, radius of chloride. So guys, if this is A, so A will be equal to 2 times the radius of chloride and 2 times the radius of Na plus. Right? You can take 2 common. This distance is called nearest neighbor distance, the minimum distance between center of one cation and one anion. The minimum distance between center of one cation and one anion. Right? So note it down, guys. Note it down. Here, density. Okay, Satyam. Thank you for your compliments. So density would be 4 into molar mass of NaCl over AQ. If somebody asks you, the coordination number, not coordination number, sorry, nearest neighbor distance for Na plus and R chloride, what will be the nearest neighbor distance, guys? It will be A by 2. Note it down. Here I make you understand this thing. Yes, if you are taking it as A. So here we have radius of chloride, and this is radius of Na plus, radius of Na plus. I hope, guys, you got it now. I hope you got it. Right? So the nearest neighbor distance will be like this, the distance between a cation and anion. the distance between a cation and anion. So guys, tell me if you have any doubt. Now, this is how I'm making this structure. So this is the Na plus, and how its coordination number is 6. You can see here that this Na plus is surrounded by 4, 5 and 6. 4 in its plane, 1 above and 1 below. So coordination number of Na plus is 6 because it is moving into the what? Because it is moving into the octahedral void. So what will be the coordination number of chloride? So here we have chloride, guys. So this chloride is touching 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 Na plus, and then we have 1 Na plus here. And then guys, let me tell you, here would be one more Na plus. Yes. So again here you can see coordination number of this is also 6. Right? Just see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Coordination number will be 6. So I left this point. Now I am telling you the answer. It will be 6. Yes guys, please ask if you have any doubt, because that's very important. Many times problems have been asked on this NaCl or rock salt type structure. Please ask me guys if you have any doubt. Tell me. No doubt. Okay, so let's move ahead now. So NaCl is done, and in NaCl we can say the coordination number of Na is to chloride is 6 is to 6. So whenever coordination number is like 6 is to 6 or 8 is to 8, so in many books what they say, here I am telling you that chloride is making CCP and Na plus is present in octahedral void. Why? Because Na plus is small in size. In many books or references you will find they will say that Na plus will be present at CCP position and chloride is occupying FCC. So chloride is occupying octahedral void. Actually this term is wrong because chloride is large. In octahedral void only small atom or ion can be there. So yes, you can say they are symmetrical. Either you can say chloride is making CCP or you can say sodium is making CCP. But you cannot say that larger one is going into voids. It will never move. It will never go. Right guys? It will never go. Done? Please ask if you have any doubt. No doubt. Okay, so let's move now. And the next structure is cesium chloride. What is the cesium chloride type structure? Cesium chloride. Again, here I am giving you some experimental data. Yes, radius of cesium is 1.74. Radius of cesium is 1.74 and the radius of chloride is 1.84. 1.84. Now, if you find out the radius ratio, it will be 0.96. So I will say radius of cesium, radius of chloride. Yes, it will lie between 0.732 and 1. It will lie between 0.732 and 1. Now what will happen guys? It means here the smaller ion, that is cesium, it will go into this ratio is for cubical void. This cesium will go into cubical void, and cubical void is formed in what? Simple cubic. So I can say that chloride will form simple cubic. So where will be the chloride ions guys? Where will be the chloride ions? So now I'm telling you, if I'm making it cube, right? So these are chloride. So chloride is making simple cube. Now where will the cesium move? Cesium will move to the cubical void. And where is the cubical void? Yes, cubical void will be at the center. So how many atoms it is touching? 4 above and 4 below. There are 4 atoms. Like in a whatever room you are sitting, just assume a point at the middle of the room in the air, and there would be 4 atoms touching it, 4 atoms touching below it, right? So I will call this is chloride, and then we have this one, this is cesium plus. This is cesium plus. So cesium chloride type structure is there, right? What is the coordination number of cesium here? It is touching 8. So coordination number will be 8. So guys, yes, here you can see the structure. This is chloride. Right? And this one is cesium. Yes. Tell me guys if you have any doubt. Please ask. No doubt. So we can say chloride will occupy simple cubic positions. So number of chloride will be 1 per unit cell. So in 1 unit cell there will be 1 chloride ion. Now where are the cesium? Yes, where are the cesium guys? Now cesium will occupy octahedral void. Not octahedral, sorry, cubical. Why? Because cubical void, I told you in the previous class, cubical void is formed in simple cubic. So cesium is occupying this. So how many cesium atom will be there in 1 unit cell? Tell me. So number of cesium plus per unit cell will be 8. Done. Into, sorry. Cesium is occupying the cubical void, so number of cesium will be 1. Yes, there is only 1 cesium atom per unit cell. There is only 1 chloride, actually there are 8, but you have to do 1 by 8. There are 8 corners, 8 into 1 by 8, you will be getting 1. You will be getting 1. So guys, what is the formula? Cesium chloride. And again this is 1, this is 1. Here I can say 1 unit cell will contain only 1 cesium chloride unit. Note it down. And then shortest distance between cesium and chloride. Yes guys, tell me, what will be the shortest distance between center of 1 cesium and 1 chloride? You can tell me easily. Yes, what will be that? So if you are connecting these two corners, so guys, this is body diagonal, the whole length will be root 3a, and from here to here it will be root 3a by 2. Note it down. Hi Roshan. So the shortest distance between cesium and chloride will be root 3a by 2. Done? Now, what is the density? 1 into molar mass of cesium chloride over AQ. Done? Yes. Actually, only surface chemistry is left, and then we can take either coordination number or metallurgy. Hi Roshan, good afternoon. You are very late. Hi Ars. So, the density would be this. Now you know the shortest distance? Yes. Now please tell me two more important points. Most important actually. What is the coordination number of cesium plus? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, I am showing you the structure. What will be the coordination number of cesium plus? Yes guys, tell me. Okay, Roshan, not an issue. Now do this one. What is the coordination number of cesium plus? Tell me guys. So here you can see cesium atom. This is the cesium and it is surrounded by 8. 4 below and 4 above. Here you can see this green color is cesium plus. So it is in contact with these chlorides. How many chlorides are these? These are 8 chlorides guys. Right? So it is in contact with 8 chlorides. Okay. Yes. Yes, sirs, you are right. Coordination number of cesium will be 8. Okay. Coordination number of cesium is 8. Yes, now can you tell me the coordination number of chloride? Means a single chloride ion, how many cesium ions, how many cesium ions are touched by a single chloride ion? Yes, guys, tell me. Tell me, guys, be fast. What is coordination number of chloride? So, chloride 8. Yes, Priya, you are right. How? So, let me tell you, guys, if this is, yes, if this is one chloride ion, so this is present at the corner, guys. This one is present at the corner. And if this is present at the corner, so each corner is shared by 8 cubes. So in one cube it is touching one cesium. So in 8 cubes it will touch 8 cesium. Yes, so this will be 8. You can say their coordination number of cesium to chloride is 8 is to 8. Again it will be symmetric. In many books you will find they will say that simple cubic will be formed by cesium and chloride will be present in the void. So the point is same. When coordination number is same, like 6 is to 6 or 8 is to 8, means it is symmetrical structure. It is symmetrical structure. Yes. Tell me guys if you have any doubt. Please ask. No doubt. Is that done now? So the shortest distance between cesium and chloride is root 3a by 2. I told you this. So this is all about cesium chloride. Yes guys, tell me if you want to know anything else. Nothing? Is there anything which you want to discuss now? Right? So guys, let's finish today's class here only. In the next class guys, what I'm going to do is just look it carefully. I will take zinc blende or a sphelerite type structure. Then I'm going to take fluorite CF2 or AB2 type structure. And after that guys, I will take anti-fluorite A2B type. And then guys, after anti-fluorite, then I will be taking structure of diamond. And after this, if we will have some time, then I will also take the defects. So next class is going to be crucial, and every time one problem is there, whether it is JEE Mains or advanced from this topic. Or I don't have any idea at this moment, but definitely I will have a session over it. Right? Definitely I will have session over it. Yes guys, please tell me. So next class will be 2:30 p.m. Every day I am taking class 2:30 p.m. And guys, on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, classes for 11th. On Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, classes for 12th. In 12th, I am teaching you the solid state, and in 11th, we are doing the redox. Right? Every day I will be taking classes at 2:30. Now tell me guys. Tell me if you have any doubt. No doubt? Done. So guys, this is all for next class. In next class, we have so many things to discuss. But this is all for today guys. And if you really like today's lecture, then don't forget to share it and like it. Yes. And guys, click on the bell icon so that you can get latest notifications of our lectures. And guys, again, this is how you can subscribe to Unacademy guys. Just click on the plus, and once you are clicking on the plus, you will be getting IIT-JEE and NEET-UG. Just check the IIT-JEE box. Right? Once you are checking this box guys, you will be directed to this page. Then you have to hit the subscription button, and after hitting it guys, I have a very important piece of information. After today 6 p.m. there would be fee hike. Yes, this is the breaking news. I've been leaking it for last 3 days. So there will be fee hike. There will be fee hike after 6 p.m. today, and you have to pay the increased fee. So if you want to subscribe guys, then this is the right time, and you just have to pay. You will get 10% discount if you are applying my code Rahul. But let me tell you the difference. Currently for 1 year you have to pay 27,000, but after 6 p.m. means after 2 hours, 2.5 hours, you have to pay 34,000. So guys, note it down. For 2 years, currently you just have to pay 32,000, but after 6 p.m. today you have to pay 50,000. So guys, as you can see, for 1 year approx 7k difference is there. For 2 year approx 18k difference is there. Right? So guys, don't miss it. Don't miss it. If you want to subscribe it, then do it before 6 p.m. Okay guys, if anybody want to subscribe it. Now let me tell you, if you are doing it before 6 p.m. today, then this structure would be there, and you just have to pay 2,500 rupees per month, or 1,500 rupees per month if you are going for 24 month, or 25 if you are going for 12 month. Right guys? And this is my code guys. If you are applying this code Rahul Chem, then you will be getting flat 10%. Then you will be getting flat 10% off. Right guys? So what are the advantage which you people will get once you are part of subscription plan? So guys, let me tell you here that the course will be structured There would be DPPs after every class. Then we have live quizzes. Then we have live quizzes. And after completion of every topic, we will have mega quiz. We will have mega quiz. Okay, guys. So live quizzes will be there, mega quizzes will be there. Then we have regular test. Regular tests are very important whenever you are preparing for any competitive examination. So guys, regular tests are very important so that you can assess what you have learned, and it will also be helpful for you to assess your performance with respect to your peer group. Okay, so this is all, guys. And other than this, you will get access to my video lecture and content, but not just my video lecture and content, but the video lectures and content of all the senior educators of all subject. Suppose you are choosing IIT-JEE, then for physics, chemistry, math, everything, right? Not biology. For the teachers who are teaching in IIT-JEE, right? सर 20 सितंबर को क्लास ऑफलाइन होगा सर प्लीज. यस टेल मी रोशन. Yes, it will be off. Online will be there, offline will be there. Both will coexist. Let's see how it goes, Roshan. Let's see. Is there any other question you want to ask? Is there any other question you want to ask? No question? Okay, guys. So, guys, I will meet you again day after tomorrow with many new concepts, many new things. And, guys, take care of you.